Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an Armenia e-visa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this e-visa issuance system of Armenia, where you can apply as well as you can check the status. Okay, they have also given the other piece of information like up to 21 days of stay, $6 USD, up to 120 days of stay, 30 USD, both non-refundable. Okay, and processing time 3 days. So that's good. They have other contact details too. So let's begin with tap on apply for e-visa. Now the very first thing is to check your eligibility. So I select ordinary passport. Okay, country passport issuing, so do it as per your own case. I'm just putting India. Okay, now I have to put my email and captcha. Okay, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna click on next. Okay guys, so what they do is they send an email, okay, to your mail account with a link. That link you have to click and you come to this page. So basically that's the verification of page, first stage. Now if you see the tab, first is the details, second is the purpose and duration, third is the confirmation, fourth is the payment. Now payment information we already have. We are gonna see what are the information they have asked. Okay, and they have clearly written that detail you enter here must match with the documents that you provide. So basically your passport is very important, so make sure it matches. So they have some passport details. Okay, passport number, gender, issue date, expiration date. They have infinite checkbox. I don't know why. I'm not sure if anybody gets an infinite passport. Wow. Name, surname. Now given name is mandatory, surname is not. That's rare. Birth date, personal data, nationality, place of birth, occupation, contact information, and contact information in Armenia. So when it comes to contact information in Armenia, like if you have already booked your hotel or if you are going to visit your family or friend, you can definitely put their information. Now coming to the documents, what are the things they have asked? Attachment, photo, facial photo. Okay, you can upload there. And passport scan, so biodata page of passport. Okay, that one. Documents, additional supporting document they have asked that's recommended, such as air ticket, hotel reservation, permit or multiple visa issued by the listed country, medical, travel insurance, proof of funds. So basically these are the documents that prove that your purpose is genuine and matching with your application. Okay, so I'm gonna fill these and then we are gonna see that like all the details I put is gonna be sample. So I put a sample number, I put sample issue date and expiry date. But when you do, make sure you make sure that each and every detail matches exactly with your passport. So basically what I would suggest, don't do it just once. I mean verify at least 2 times. Yeah, you don't want to make a minor mistake and later struggle. Okay, so I filled some sample data in passport information. Now I'm gonna do something in personal data, nationality. So again, do it as per your case. Don't see what I'm doing. Place of birth. Next is, have you ever been convicted of any crime? Occupation, I just say IT consultant. Yeah. Contact information, plate of residence for Armenia. Okay, I'm gonna fill this up. Okay, of course I'm not gonna uh, apply finally. Okay, so now I have not uploaded attachments, but you have to upload because it's a sample video. Let me see if I can go to next. Okay, In addition to your photo, please submit them. Okay, so you have to upload the mandatory document. So travel insurance, valid residence permit, visa to EU, Schengen member state, Australia, Canada, UK. Okay, other supporting documents if available, or these things. Okay, perfect. All right, so they have asked me to fill this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put some sample and then I'm gonna click on next and see you in the next page. Okay, so I have come to the next page. So I'm in tab 3 where I'm to the purpose and duration. Okay, so short term, long term. Okay, I selected short term. You can select long term too if that's applicable. So this is the visa type they are giving. When are you arriving? Date of entry. So okay, your visa will be valid for 90 days between these days, and your visit cannot exceed 21 days. Of course, you can select other type too. Now here you need to do confirmation of everything that you have submitted. You need to check and go for proceed for payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.